get a report. The dog get killed. The owner leave the dog here. So now we will go and see what's going on with the dog. The two beautiful dog.
Okay.
พี่สุนัขทั้งคู่นี่เป็นของพี่หรือเปล่าฮะ
ของแม่ครับ
ของแม่
ช่วยมาจากที่บ้านที่เคหะ
อายุกับตัวผู้ทั้งสองนะฮะ
ตัวผู้ทั้งสอง
ตัวนี้ชื่ออะไรคะ
ตัวนี้ชื่ออ้วนนะ
อ้วนตัวนั้นชื่อฮีโร่อายุฮีโร่อายุเท่าไหร่คะ
ฮีโร่ประมาณ3 ปี
3 ปีแล้วก็อ้วนนะคะ
อ้วนประมาณ2 ปี
2 ปี We find out that is the two dog. One is golden retriever and another one is Rottweiler. Is died in the second floor of the house. This Rottweiler is died probably about 3 days, but golden retriever is just died last night from the sea. And for both of them are died in different case. One is died by, we suspect died poison. Another one is by attack from the people. So we bring them here to the temple next to our shelter. As we asked with the owner told us that is he have two houses and he lived this house because other house is underwater on the roof. So he decided to move the dog to his shop, which is have second floor. He leave the food and everything. So when other house get very much problem, he take a little bit, couple days in his house, and 3 days later he find out that he came back. Both of his dogs are dying. So we were going to find out what really going on. We was put the blood to go and test in the laboratory. After I talked to the owner, if he lost anything, he said no, he don't lost anything at home at all, but in the back door of his second floor, someone just broken the door inside, and he believed the neighbor poisoned his dog and killed his dog because when the dog have no owner there, they might cry for the owner and moan at night, so it annoy the neighbor. This is quite sad to go and see this.